All right, getting this video out very late, but very important. I've had so many people begging me for a few more days of the discount because they get paid on a certain day, and I'm going to extend it a couple more days because we've had such an amazing amount of signups. You guys need this. Like, the market is wrecking people. It's taking people's money, right? This is player versus player. You do not want to give your money back to this market. So we talked about on 22 hours ago how this is a falling channel and 68% chance it breaks out to the upside. It does, but it's a weak breakout. Just move sideways, right? You've got CPI inflation coming out tomorrow morning, 8:30. So I'll be drinking coffee up early with updates. These indicators look okay as far as move to the upside, but this is only the 15-minute chart. Like, this is not anything amazing, right? And what we have to look at is the higher time frame. Higher time frame always wins. I want you to understand this. So the bulls were hoping for a double bottom. You didn't get that. You've got your low, your lower low, and your lower low. So the bull trap, right? So this is kind of difficult price action, but it's a lot more clear. It's really easy to see on the higher time frames, right? Higher time frames always win. But this thing comes down here below resistance. You lost resistance. It got rejected and got rejected again. And so now, are you forming a bullish ascending triangle? Or will it even matter? If you get rejected again, you're coming back down to 27,000. If 27,000 doesn't hold, you're going a lot lower. 26,000 is in the cards. 25,000 is in the cards. I want you to pay attention to this. So what I do whenever you have a pattern that is hard to identify, which this could be complex head and shoulders, and this thing breaks lower and it just dumps. And if that happens, you've got a move down here to $24,000. Okay. So CPI is going to delegate the price action, right? Inflation comes in out of control and this market dumps. And so understand the way this works. You've got to hold this level, just like here. You got to hold this level. So there's ideas for upside because there's a falling wedge right here. Ideas for upside, but then you got this major resistance level here. So are you going to get a bounce up here to the resistance and then breakdown? Or if inflation comes in good and you regain this level, then you're moving higher and off to the races. Altcoin season, gem big bangers, everybody's life's happy. Otherwise, downside, destruction. I've got some amazing shout outs to give my trading group. We've been trading on MEXC for a couple weeks and we've been killing it. This person, Bitcoin short, they made $4,000 in profit today. To be a trader, you trade both ways. This person, shout out to Cadillac Shack. He said, "Thanks for everything. You changed my outlook on life. You gave me the skills to change my family's life forever. I know I can make sure my disabled little girl will have the best care. Thank you." Shout out to Mr. Ski. "You've taught me so much in the past 2 months. Thank you." This person, shout out to Hayden Vision. He said, "The group has turned out to be a better investment than my college degree." Yeah, you will make more money. You put 6 months into this, you will make more money than you make in college. I've got doctors in the group retiring. This person, $53,000. He had 13 winning days in the group. In my story, I'm doing everything on the side to make money, and I'm saving money, and I'm real frugal, saving money. And then it, finally after 6 years, gave in and got, a nice home and nice cars, and I'm very thankful for this. Listen, we've got a few hours left. I'm going to go ahead and extend it for another 24 hours. Then the discount's over. The discount is over. I've just had so many emails. People just, can I get a little bit more time? Can I get paid on this day for a little bit longer? The next 24 hours, and then it's done. The discount is over. Right now, we're lowering the prices rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Remember, for the $9,100 in rewards, to be eligible for the $500 giveaway, you must use the Crypto Revolution MEXC VIP link in the description. That's it. No one else is doing this, period. You have to be ready for what's about to happen over the next 24 to 48 hours. We post a lot of gem pick bangers, but reaction is one of the best ways to trade with this news, because you don't know what's going to happen. It's hard to trade news, and most people don't even trade news. Most people, they won't leave big open trades. Bittrex is declaring bankruptcy in the United States. The United States is forcing crypto to leave. We should go where our financial future, where we can control it. Binance NFT marketplace supports these Bitcoin NFTs. The Bitcoin NFTs, I don't know how the network's going to do it, but these are Bitcoin ordinals. And this is huge. And I'm going to go in depth and explain how huge this really is. But you can see over here, 8:30 a.m. Anytime there's a red arrow, these are important. And so you had 5% CPI year over year inflation. The market is looking for 5%. If you come in higher, drastically higher, Bitcoin markets dump. If you come in lower, everything pumps. Okay. If you come in at 5%, maybe you don't see much of a change at all. But it's really important to know tomorrow's a day. So get some sleep. Bitcoin dominance. And this is one where we haven't had a lot of moves out of Bitcoin dominance. This thing, or if it pumps, you're going to see altcoins get completely wrecked. Altcoins look terrible right now. And I'm going to go into Litecoin. I'm going to show you why it looks terrible and why you should have exited the setup a long time ago. But real quick, your breakout levels here. I mean, there could be some type of trend line right here, but where's the other trend line? So Litecoin. We bought here previously. We made 18% gains. Most people traded with leverage in the group. A lot of people are scared of leverage. Go to MEXC. You can make $9,100. A lot of people are scared of leverage because they don't understand it. Well, a lot of people, just ask your friends and your family, like, are you in crypto? Oh no, they're scared of it, right? Leverage trading is one of the most powerful ways to change your future, because you can profit on the moves to the downside. So we bought here 18%. Again, 3x trading, you're up 50%, right? Now, you've got this falling wedge, and it looks like it broke to the downside. You've got volume confirmation, right? Your RSI, your stochastic RSI is up here. If this thing bearishly retests, and has a lot to do with the news, right? Tomorrow, if you get this kiss of death, short Litecoin, and you're going to make a killing. If it breaks back into the pattern, the idea is the shorts have been dominating. The bears have been dominating the market recently, and it's very important to understand. Now, I want to show you a couple things real quick. So this was a bull trap. So you see how you've got, these are your two highs, which was some people call it an M pattern. It's a double top, right? So a double top, you get this measured move here, and you're going to come down, and you're going to come down here. Okay. Then you get a double bottom. I can trade double tops and double bottoms, and that's part of my strategy. Trade these bull traps whenever you break a previous level of resistance and then you bearishly retest it. I sell immediately, because the market tanks. Like, you can make so much money shorting using MEXC on these traps. It's ridiculous. And then you get a bear trap, double bottom down here, and this thing goes the other direction. Traps all the time. And so you notice this resistance level. You have this rising channel building here, and it breaks to the downside. It doesn't even bullishly retest. As soon as it loses this level, I'm selling. And if not, then I'm going to wait for it to come back up here and bearishly retest, and I'm selling or I'm shorting. You've got to be able to trade the market both ways. And then this thing is coming way down. Litecoin. You have to understand these basic ideas. We've got lawyers in the group, doctors in the group. We've got people that work at Amazon in the group. We got people that work at fast food restaurants in the group. And they all do extremely well. This is not about your intelligence. It is about learning the patterns and the ideas. It's like a language, learning French. 2 weeks, you're going to have a tough time. First month, you'll start to get better. The second month, exponentially better. By the 5th and 6th month, you'll be writing a book in French, right? You've got to have the patience to learn this. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. Sure, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. And remember, we're going to do 1 or 2 more days of the discount, lowest prices ever, because I can't even keep up with demand. So many people are joining and they're like, hey, my paycheck's coming out this day. Can you just give me a little bit of an extension, a little bit of an extension? The markets are getting wrecked. I want to have as many people join the group and change their life as possible. So we're going to continue that. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.